Today, I stand before you to talk about a significant movement shaping the future of our great nation, the Bharat Jodo Nyaya Yatra. This journey, initiated by Sri Rahul Gandhi, symbolizes our collective quest for social, economic and constitutional justice. I am excited to talk about the Nyaya Yodha initiative, a platform for every citizen who believes in truth, non-violence and the pursuit of justice. As Nyaya Yodhas, we stand as the voice for the voiceless, the strength for the weak and the hope for the hopeless. I call upon each one of you, the proud people of our nation, to join this movement. Become a Nyaya Yodha. Raise your voice against injustice and inequality. Let us unite to make India a nation where every citizen's voice is heard and their rights are protected. Register yourself as a Nyaya Yodha at www.bharatjodonyayayatra.com or give a missed call 98 91 80 2024. Together let us build an India that is just, fair and inclusive. Jai Hind.